Hi, I'm Purva, a second year MBA student, and this is my way to show you guys a sneak peek into my second year at IIM. So, last time I shot, I was in my first term. Cut to, I'm in my sixth term right now. So, yeah, I'm really excited for this one. So, let's see how it goes. It's 9:45 a.m. right now, and I'll be leaving for my classes. I have only one class today, which is banking and financial institution. So yeah, let's So now I'll be going to the AP office to collect my leave application, and hopefully it should be signed by now.
तू ही मेरी दास्तां तेरी ही राहों में ढूंढूं अपना जहां चुप सी रातों में भी तेरा जिक्र रहे जैसे खुश
Done with this, and we just need one more signature on this piece of paper. Finally, we can leave for home. Class is going on, so I'll just wait here till it gets over. And this is a happiness corner of one of the franchisees. It's named Maslow Magpies.
तेरी मुस्कान जैसे सुबह की रोशनी दिल को छू जाए
Measures. Hi, it's much easier to record in a closed area. So, in order to complete your measures in a subject, you have to opt for 6 subjects in the second year. So, my 2 were left to complete my majors in finance. So, I have basically 3 courses in this term. One is behavioral biases in finance. One is banking and financial institution, and then my third subject is workplace happiness. And after that, we have to take 2 more courses. So, but in the last term, we have this option to skip the last 2 courses and opt for a course known as social impact practicum, wherein you have to actively go out, find a problem and its solution using the management concepts. So it's basically social related, but you have to just actually do the field visits and actively own up your project. So yeah, cool. So I guess now we'll head towards that class.
जो मिले थे एक दफा तेरी ही नजरों में मैं खोया खोया हाँ वो पल थे कीमती जो थे साथ तेरे हुआ मैं हूँ दीवाना कर बेकाबू मुझे
Create the whopper unchanged instantly and to that also will show now. See, actually it is the limit. In case of vessel 3 is 10.5. We are at the paper side. This one vessel 3 would be the minimum tomat.
We are done with the last class and now we are free for the whole day. Now I'll be heading over for snacks because I'm really hungry. It's time for the daily mandatory chai and I really need chai right now, so let's go for snacks. Wait, that my blog is pretty crazy. I wish to show you guys something apart from that.
कर बेकाबू मुझे तेरी ही राहों में ढूंढूं अपना जहां चुप सी रातों में भी तेरा जिक्र रहे जैसे खुशबू हवाओं में तेरा असर रहे हूँ मैं यार तुझे जो मिले थे एक दफा तेरी ही नजरों में मैं खोया खोया हाँ वो पल थे कीमती जो थे साथ तेरे हुआ मैं हूँ दीवाना कर बेकाबू मुझे
एक आपका ब्लैक उठा दो आपके पास जो गिरा है
Chaitanya, say hello.
हेलो
एक बार
ठीक है
कशिश तेरी सुनम दिल को खींच ले जाए हर पल तेरे संग करती दीवाना दीवाना तेरी ही हर बात हो
मैं बसी हो पर दूर हो कहीं.
So yeah, I guess that's it for this vlog. I really enjoyed shooting it. Finally back to my room, and this was more or less how my day goes here. Also, I realized that a voiceover vlog is so much easier than this format. But yeah, hopefully I'll learn. And also, I remember my first vlog, and this one was so different from that. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Until then, bye bye.
हूँ मैं यार तुझे जो मिले थे एक दफा